Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete your credit card from your Temu app or your Temu account. So let's get right into it. And for this, I'll be using the official Temu support article since it is only two pictures and it is very simple to follow. And I'll explain it in detail on what you need to do in case you don't get it. But let's get right into it without any further ado. So to access your payment methods, what you want to do is first log into your account either on the app or on the website. Once you're on the app, you just need to click on You, which is on the bottom of the page. Or if you're on the website, you need to go into the top right and select your account and then click on Payment Methods. This will list out all your available and entered payment methods, so just make sure to locate the one that you want to delete. Once you do, just delete it and or click on it, and then you'll get a different screen. On the app, it'll look like this on the left hand side, and just click delete card and it should delete it. And on the right hand side, as you can see on PC, once you click it, you have to either add a new card. That is the first option. You'll have a Visa that is or another card that is provided or that has been entered, and you can view it there. And you can either edit it or just remove the card. What you want to do is click remove, and it'll be removed from your account. To make sure that it has been removed, just refresh the page or log out and log into your account again, and it should be missing from your payment methods page, and that's all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.